Dan here, I'm down at the Opti-Coat Training Center in Memphis, Tennessee. Today I'm going to show you the versatility of Optimum No Rinse. Optimum No Rinse is a soy-based polymer product. It's not a surfactant like a lot of the other products on the market. This product here, being that it's a soy-based product, is super versatile, like a Swiss Army knife, and safe on every surface of your vehicle. Not only is it good to rinseless wash the exterior of the vehicle, but it's also good for cleaning the glass of your vehicle, the interior, the navigation touchscreen, and so much more. Now that you know the many uses for Optimum No Rinse, I'm going to show you how to set this product up so we can rinselessly wash the vehicle right behind me. So I have 4 gallons of water in my bucket here. And with that, you need 1 ounce per 2 gallons. So it's 1 capful every gallon of water. So with this, we're just going to fill up the cap 4 times. Then we're going to take our Optimum Big Red Sponge. We're going to just dip that right down in there and mix everything up. Give it a light wring out, and then we can go right into washing the vehicle. And with this, you don't need to press down on the surface. It's just simply gliding the sponge over the surface and allowing the product to do what it's designed to do, which is emulsify, encapsulate, and break down all that dirt and grime on the surface so you can be left behind with a very clean vehicle. It's just this simple to use Optimum No Rinse. I don't need to break out any hoses. I don't need to put on any special outfit or wear any special shoes for this because I'm not going to have wet feet after using this product. And with that, what's nice about it is if you do need a little more lubricity, let's say you're going to use a clay towel to clay your vehicle after washing it, you just simply increase the product ratio of what you're using. Instead of 1 capful per gallon, you use 2 capfuls per gallon. That'll give you enough lubricity to clay your vehicle properly and safely without inducing any damage. So now I'm just going to finish up this spot here. I'll come back and I'll talk a little more about Optimum No Rinse. Now that we've washed the vehicle, we can grab our microfiber waffle weave drying towel and dry the vehicle off. Now, there is some protection that is left behind by Optimum No Rinse, but we can take it a step further and we can use a product by Optimum Polymer Technology called Optimum Car Wax. This product here we can use as a drying aid while we're drying the vehicle by leaving some more protection left behind that gives you that more gloss, that more brilliant look after the vehicle is dried. So simply 1 spray over the area that you're about to dry with your microfiber waffle weave drying towel, mist it over, and just start drying. And it is that simple to leave a waxed layer of protection on your vehicle after washing it. So as you can see, I didn't have to break out the hose. I didn't have to break out a brush or all these extra tools that you may use to clean your vehicle. Because with Optimum No Rinse, it is that simple because the product just makes it that much better. Optimum No Rinse is a great product, but there are limitations. Say you just got done having the weekend with the boys and your truck is all muddy. You're not going to want to use no rinse on that. You will need to break out the hose and you will need to rinse that down. before using Optimum No Rinse. Because of the chemistry of Optimum No Rinse, you can safely wash your vehicle in direct sunlight because it emulsifies, encapsulates, and softens the water. So you're not going to have hard water spots left on the surface. You're going to have polymer spots that you can actually get wet again with a damp towel and wipe it right up and leave the surface clean and dry. Under 15 minutes, I was able to wash this vehicle. I'm dry, I'm not tired. I'm able to go now enjoy my day with the rest of the things I have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
You can do it!
It just takes the time a little bit.
The first one's always the hardest.